So in this question you're asked to enlarge a moulding so that it will fit in a box. So the moulding is 45mm by 45mm and the box is 68mm by 68mm. So the first thing you should do is draw a box around that moulding. So here's our box. And then what we're going to do is we're going to divide that box into an equal number of parts on the top and on the side. So we can start by doing the side. So I'm just going to use that divide a line technique. So I'm going to draw a line, and say this line was 5 centimeters long. I can just draw it at any angle, and then I divide that 5 centimeter line into equal parts. So 5 centimeters is 50mm, equal parts, and then I join this top here to the corner, and then with lines parallel to this line I'm going to join the division lines to this edge here. So just to go over that again, so this is a 5 centimeter line, these divisions are 10mm each. I'm joining this line to this corner here, and then these lines are parallel to this line. And so then what I can do is I can extend these division lines out, and so that divides this into 5 equal parts. And then kind of a quick thing to do is just to draw a diagonal across my square, and where that diagonal hits these division lines, that gives me the division lines for the horizontal. So that's the first part. So that's dividing this box into an equal number of pieces. And then I'm going to do exactly the same for the larger grid. Okay, so I'm going to take this line here, and say this was, for example, 100mm long. I could make these into equal divisions of 20mm, and then I would join this top part of this division line to the corner here, and then at these 20mm division lines I'm going to draw a line parallel to this line here. And then I'm going to divide this box into the 5 equal parts using these division lines, and then I'm going to draw a diagonal, and where that diagonal hits those dividing lines I can draw I can divide my horizontal. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to, just to help me, I'm going to index these. So I'm going to call that 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. And then when there's a change in direction on this moulding, I can put in the change in direction on this moulding. So we can see here that this point here is this point here. This point here, 1A, is just here, 1A. This point here, 1B, is just here. And this point here, 4D, is just here. And that's how we can draw in our bigger shape. So we're not looking for millimeter accuracy, it's just that you would be able to join up and do the method correctly.